welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I am going to do fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIY and a lot more. And as you can see, my nails, and these nails I've got at home like under 15 minutes. So if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. And today I'm going to tell you how you can get manicured nails at home. So basically we all have these chipped nails right now. I do have a nice length of my nails, but they are still not in the perfect condition and इनका nail paint कभी chip हो जाता है, कभी कुछ हो जाता है. So I found a solution. I used to do this earlier as well, and then at that time I posted a IGTV about it and a lot of you guys liked it. So I thought let me try this technique again and let me show it to you on YouTube this time. So what I have with me right here are these nails. These are fake nails, press on nails, amazing gel nails. These are from Shein. I am in no way supporting Shein. I got them like long back. ये पड़े थे तो I just thought of using them. And मतलब ये मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम से और मेरे पास ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक ये हैं, बहुत सारे पेयर्स हैं Shein के. I also searched them on Myntra, Amazon and और भी कुछ साइट्स पे अवेलेबल हैं और कुछ स्पेशल Instagram स्टोर्स भी हैं जो इनमें डील करते हैं, तो you can get it from those as well. But Shein, चाहे हम जो मर्जी कहें, Shein पे सबसे ज़्यादा सस्ते मिलते हैं. But anyways, today I'm going to tell you how to apply these press-on nails and what you need to do to apply these press-on nails. And here you can see I have these nails, I have these ones, और इसमें मेरे कुछ एक दो पहले के use किए हुए nails भी पड़े हैं. And I used to do them a lot, but now I've started them again. And for applying these nails, you basically need nails, of course, and you need this Miss Claire nail glue, which is not very expensive again. It's for I guess 200 rupees और ये एक बार नहीं, आपकी ये 10 to 15 times आराम से चल जाएगी, क्योंकि nails कई बार बीच में निकल जाते हैं, तो उसके लिए भी आप you just have to apply this glue as a nail paint and then just stick it on. So it's very simple to use this, but before doing using this, what you need to do with your nails is first of all cut your nails, remove the nail paint and just buff them a little. Buffing is an option, but it's your choice. So that's what I'm going to do. So I have a nail cutter right here, so let me first cut my nails. My nails were very long and I am very upset about cutting them, but मेरे एक दो nails टूट गए थे, तो it's better to cut all of them because वो एक या दो nails अच्छा नहीं लगता फिर.
A few moments later.
I am back again, but with shorter nails, and I'm quickly going to remove my nail paint, and for removing them I'm going to use the Color Bar acetone free nail enamel nail remover. You can use any, and I'm quickly going to remove my nail paint and then show you guys. So I've removed my nail paint, and now what I'm going to use is I'm just going to use any buffer. You can use this or you can just skip this step as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use number 3 of the buffer. No, I think I should go with number 2 of the buffer, and just going to buff my nails a little so that कि थोड़ा ऊपर से clean हो जाए और इसमें कोई मतलब moisture ना रहे. So when I apply the glue, it just sticks very nicely. So I'm just going to buff my nails very little, not much, as you can see, just buffing them lightly. My nails are now buffed, and what I'm going to do is I am going to open this pack, and also if you can see, these are very nice marble print, and there are 24 nails in this. So why there are 24 is because they give you definitely options so that you can see which fits your nail, and if it doesn't fit, you can just shape it according to your nail. So I'm going to take them out and then see which one fits my size. Also the pack comes with this buffer, basic buffer, which I used. You can use this one and any other as well, and you can use these nail glues. So I personally don't like using this nail glue because I think this does not stick that well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this and then see कौन से nail के साथ कौन सा मतलब मेरे कौन से nail पे कौन सा fit हो रहा है, and I'm going to lay it down here, right here, and then one by one I'm going to start sticking them on. So let me just take them out and see the sizes. I'll start with finding the biggest one right here, and I'm going to keep it on my thumb. I think this fits fine. Also I'm not so sure कि ये ऐसे है, मतलब ये मार्बल प्रिंट नीचे है या ऊपर है. आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी एंड लाइक बी श्योर अबाउट इट, बट एज यू कैन सी Oopsie. But as you can see, this quite fills my thumb very nicely, and I think this will be the perfect size for my thumb. And like this only, I'm going to just lay down all the nails which I think are the size of my respective nails. So first is the thumb and then my index finger. Usually always I have bought like very bigger nails, but this time I went for a shorter length because I was feeling like कि मुझे nails सुंदर चाहिए but लंबे बहुत हो गए, तो I want a shorter one. Just take your own sweet time to just find out which one fits which one, because after that later on, then you, if it's not the perfect like nail, then you will regret it and then you will be like, ओहो अब ये इसके साथ तो मेरे को कंफर्टेबल नहीं है. बट इफ दे आर द राइट साइज यू विल ऑलवेज फील कंफर्टेबल. और अगर कोई 19 21 बड़ा है तो जस्ट डोंट हेजिटेट एंड जस्ट बफ इट अ लिटिल, बिकॉज बफ इजीली हो जाएगा और उसके बाद आपका नेल बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. आई वांट दिस नेल टू बी दिस डिजाइन, बट ये थोड़ा बड़ा है. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buff it a little. I'm going to use now the buffer which came with this. So here I have my buffer and I'm going to place the nail and see कितना बड़ा चाहिए मुझे. I think हल्का हल्का मुझे दोनों से साइड से करना है. So I'm just going to buff it a little. It's very easy to buff. And I think it's done from this side. दूसरी साइड से भी कर लेते हैं. They come in like 10,000 varieties. You can just choose whichever you want, which design you like, and that is it. Now it's buffed. I think it will fit fine. Yes, it fits very nicely now, so I'm going to keep this one right here. So basically they are 24 because not every size fits you nicely, and ये अगर आपका कोई गुम भी हो जाता है, so you can just replace it from the new ones and you just don't have to like be panicked, because अगर आपका जैसे आपने मैनिक्योर कराया और वो nail निकल गया and then you have no option, then you just have to go and get the nail. So it's better कि यहाँ पे आपको पहले ही options दे दिए गए हैं कि अगर वो ख़राब भी हो जाता है you can just fix it on your own, because you are doing your nails on your own, so you can just fix it later as well. Now my nails are laid down. I'm going to take one by one, and how I'm going to apply them is I'm going to take this Miss Claire Glow which I showed you in the starting as well. So I'm going to take it out and apply this as a nail paint on my nail. You can also apply it on your nails, but I feel like applying this as a nail paint works better. So I'm just going to apply it. Apply a generous amount because this is what is going to stick your nail. Otherwise your nail will come off. So just be generous with this and then just press it for like 5 to 10 seconds. And this is how my thumb looks like, and this looks very nice. So I'm quickly going to do it with all the other nails and then show it to you guys. And I quite like it. This nail length is very much wearable and it's very nice. I'm so happy. I always wanted to get a nude manicure, but I never went for it, and this is how my nails are looking, and they look like very nice. So I'm quickly going to apply it on my second hand as well and then show it to you guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, so guys, my nails are done and this is how they look like, and they look very pretty, and they were like done in 10 minutes. So that's really great, and this is how you can use your fake nails and get a fake manicure. Basically not a fake manicure, but you can get your fake acrylics at home. Saste se saste gel acrylics we will get for around 1500 to 1600, and these were for like 200 for the nails and 200 for the glue, and glue keeps on like reusing, so it's like 400 at max. And I would highly suggest you guys to try this out, because I have tried it out earlier as well and they work really nice. But sometimes what the problem with these nails is कि जैसे जो gel acrylics होता है, they are very strong. They just like ये कई बार ऐसे खिंच गया तो ये निकल जाता है nail, but that's fine. You can just keep your glue handy and just apply the glue and stick on the nail. And in fact, even if you lose the nail, you have other nails to just stick on of the same size, so that's really great. And yeah, that is it how I got my fake manicure at home, and this is how my nails look like, and they look very nice, and they're available in all lengths, all sizes, so that's really good. And like all lengths are available, there are variety of designs, so that's really good. And this is something which I would highly recommend. And I think next I'm going to try these metallic ones right here, and these were also sitting in my vanity since a long time, so I'm going to try these ones. But I think I'm going to try them not at home, maybe at some function or something like that. Or these were my nudes, and I have them in 2 different shades. These are like maroon ones. I had them in nude, and when I had them on, they were looking like amazing, like amazing. So whenever I have these nails on, everybody asks me, where have you got your nails from, how are they from, and where they're from, and la 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 la. So this is how I got my nails done, and it's very easy, okay? But just make sure abhi lagaya to for half an hour. I'm not gonna dip them in water so that the glue loosens up. So I'm not going to do that for half an hour, and after that everything just goes back to normal. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the absolute world to me, and share it with all your girlfriends because I know this is gonna be very helpful for you guys. And yeah, that's it. Bye.